Hello, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Out for Golf, Nancy. So today, I'll make a hand turkey burger again. And we're going to do some things a little bit different. So let me bring you down here. There we go. Make sure this doesn't drip anywhere. Alright, so I got my turkey burger in there. And I had that big thing of mustard. Well, there's still mustard on the top, on this top. I don't want to waste anything. Well, I try not to. Let's put it that way. Okay. So we got that in there. All right. Then we have that in there. Gotta wipe the counter off real quick because that mustard on the counter. Alright. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt. A little bit of onion powder. And then, let me get to it. My turmeric and ginger. Alright. And then we're just going to mix this all up. I don't have any gloves. So I don't want to put my hands on here. Alright. Almost mixed together. There we go. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I am going to just flatten this out some. A bit more. Make a, not like a meatloaf, but a big burger. And all with this. So I've got my Ninja set on bake already. Let's bake at 375. I'm gonna put it back down to 350. Whoops. So temp. Oh, go back to bake. Go temp. 350. Timer. We'll do 20 minutes. So 350 timer, and we'll get this started in just a second. Okie dokie. Around so y'all can see. Yeah, it's one of those days. Right, it goes in. Button that a little bit more. There we go. And we close the lid. And hit start. And I'll see y'all in 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and we are going to get this out. Let's look and see what it looks like. You'll see that? That looks so good. Let's see if I get it out. Alrighty. don't think it'll stay all in one piece, but that's okay. So here we go. Alright, there's that. Oh, it smells delicious, especially with the mustard in it. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, so we're going to dress this up. This is the bread I made. So we'll make a little sandwich with it, with some of the little pieces. There we go. We've got some lettuce from the garden. So we can put some lettuce on here. I've got some, oh, there we go. Open up. This is a cinnamon romaine lettuce. And then we're going to take a little bit of onion and some garlic. And this is the top of onions. So we're going to put it on top of here. Alrighty. And we'll put some right here on the little mini sandwich. The same with garlic. I hope that's not picking up what they're watching upstairs. Alright, there we go. And yes, we're going to add a little bit of mustard in here. Alright. And we'll take it a little bit off the top. Put it right here on the bread. Put some right here. Like I said, I love mustard. Alrighty, here is our turkey burger sandwich. Love it when people come home early from work. And here we go. Oh my goodness, that's just so good. You can top it with spinach, you can put lettuce, you've got tomatoes. Some of my favorite things, here's an onion scalp, top of an onion. Delicious. So there we go, our mustard turkey burger. Thank y'all for watching. God bless, stay safe. We love y'all, and we'll see you later on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf with Nancy. Have a great day.